Hello everybody, welcome to Dr. Chan's Minor Ailments Forum today. So the topic that I want to talk about today is whether it's okay for a pregnant lady to dye their hair. Now, the reason I've chosen this topic is because I've been asked these questions during clinic time, and I find it hard to kind of find information for the ladies because there's not many studies been done on this topic at all. However, there's some information online that I've collated together, so I hope that this video might be able to help you to answer this question. Now, generally speaking, it is okay to dye your hair. However, you might want to wait till at least 12 weeks plus of your gestation, because in the first 12 weeks the baby is developing really quickly, and you want to minimize the risk. Then you might want to wait till after 12 weeks of pregnancy to kind of redo your hair. Now, some people might think that using any chemical while you're pregnant is not a good idea. However, according to NHS websites, it's okay to dye your hair with normal permanent or semi-permanent hair dye that you can buy in the shops. However, the things that you need to bear in mind is that number one, you need to wear gloves. Number two, you need to make sure that when you put the hair dye on, you leave it on for the minimal time that is instructed. So don't leave it on for longer than it should be. And number three is once you put it on and you rinse it properly, especially from the scalp. And if you want to be extra cautious, you might want to not dye your whole hair. You might want to do, for example, highlights that doesn't actually touch the scalp. So these are the things that you can do. But generally speaking, as long as you follow the normal advice and try to use the dyes carefully, not to put it on everywhere, covering your skin or scalp, and rinse it off properly, there shouldn't be any problem at all. So at the end of the day, if you're pregnant, doesn't mean that you don't have to look good. You definitely need to look good and feel good. So I hope that the information is useful for you, and keep in tune. Bye bye.